Come test drive the 2015 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, fog lamps, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.